So this is cilantro that I'm chopping right here. I just harvested it from my kitchen vegetable garden. I cleaned it, prep it, ready for freezing to be used in my cooking in the future. So buckle up and join me in this video as I walk you through the whole process. And as you can see, my garden is thriving. Those are the pumpkin leaves, the spinach and everything else is doing very well. And I got so busy with other things and my cilantro are not slowing down to catch up with me. I just have to harvest them today or they will start producing seeds. So as you can see, they are very tall. My plan is to harvest almost everything today and then leave like one or two so they can produce some seeds that we can use in the next season. And you can see how tall they are. I am now done harvesting and the next step is to go clean them up to make sure that they don't have any pests or anything foreign before we go to the next step. And as I said during our last video, this is a very important step when you are cleaning or prepping your herbs or your vegetables, because if you don't catch anything foreign at this stage, it can make you sick or bring health complications to you. Cilantro is a fragrant culinary herb that can also help in your blood glucose management by lowering your blood glucose. It can also help prevent foodborne illnesses caused by salmonella, a microbe that can be life-threatening. It also have vitamin A, C and K, and also have folate, potassium and magnesium among other benefits. And now I'm all done with that stage of cleaning, just picking up the cilantro and making sure they don't have any foreign element. And now at this point I'm cleaning my sink so I can now come and clean them up with water. And as you can imagine, because I just harvested them up, they're full of dirt. I need to clean them up until the water lands clear. And even to make my work easier, I am trimming the stem and then clean them up until I'm satisfied with the results. And now we need to clean our space as we go. And now at this point, I'm chopping them up into my desired sizes, ready for the next step. And I plan to be using this cilantro in most of my cooking, so they're going to last me for like 6 months or so. And at this point, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate you. And in case you have not subscribed, kindly go ahead and subscribe to help me grow this channel. And finally, I am now ready to put them in the freezer bags. I am dating them so I know when to use them. The cilantro and frozen are safe to use up to 6 months. And next, I'm going to put them in the freezer. Thank you for watching, and let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.